Are you thinking of selling your Littleton home but have repairs to do first? Hey, I have a guy for that. Does your home need interior or exterior paint? Hey, I have a guy for that. Does your home need new carpet or wood floors refinished? Hey, I have a guy for that. Is your kitchen dated and needs a fresh look? Hey, I have a guy for that. Look, these are a few items most people need done or they think need done before they sell their home. Whatever that job is, I have a guy for that. Through my 25 years in real estate, buying and selling my own properties as an investor or representing buyers and sellers, I have formed a team able to come in, get your home ready for the market. Are you thinking there's way too many repairs? Well, contact me to find out. And if money's an issue, I can front the repairs for you. I can partner up with you to get the home ready. Or if you don't want to deal with any of that, I can buy your Littleton home or surrounding area home for cash. Either way, I have you covered. I'm David Novak. I hope this information helps. Feel free to reach out to me at any time, and I hope you have a great day.